Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a dog to kitsune vid, and this is gonna be awesome. So let's get started with the first day. So in this first trade, I've got this guy who's trading me a moon cat. Yeah, I know, shiny moon cat for my dog, which is actually crazy. So since this is our first ever trade, let's see if he does it. Yes, we have acquired a moon cat, but a long way to go to kitsune. And this is my first trade, and I'm really happy that I actually could get a moon cat for a dog. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye!